So for instance, now you check on the type of laptop you want, and if it's bags, if it's a jewelries, if it's a handbag, whatever thing you want to buy, maybe whatever thing you want to buy from this site, what you would do is just come here and search. Then there's one more good thing I like about this site is that hello there viewers, wherever we are watching my video from, I am Shay Dairo. So the last video I made was all about how you can import cheap and fairly used products from China, and I think I gave you a site or app that you can use to import some cheap and fairly used products and import it to your country. But I think of, you have to do product research before you decide on buying something from a particular place, and especially when something is having a competition. So competition usually help buyers. So I want to help you guys out to still give you another site in China that you can be importing fairly used product from at a cheaper rate, so that before you conclude on, say you want to buy from A or B, you will have done a thorough product research from the sites or those apps. Then conclusion or decision will come from you based on the research you get from your research. So that's why I say, okay, let me still help you further and give you this particular site or app that you can use to still expand your research. So without wasting much time, let me walk you through the process now. Thank you. So without wasting much time, I want to lead you straight to the app in China where you guys can import cheap and fairly used product from and import it to your countries. All right. For it, before people think it's only from US, UK, where you guys can import fairly used product from. But I think from my YouTube channel now, I have proved to you the other time. I think the first day I made a video on this one on how to import or source for fairly used product from China, buying second-hand product or fairly used product and very cheap one. And I made this video just one day ago. I made this video on that. And for some of you guys that haven't watched this video, you have to go and watch it. You know why? It will help you to do product research, just like when we are buying a brand new product from China. Before you decide on the product, you have to do product research by going to 1688, go to Pinduoduo, go to Alibaba, and rest of stores like that. So if you want to deal with this kind of business now, importing fairly used product, I think the right thing is for you to know different competitive sites or app where you can go there to do your product research. So that's why I'm helping you guys out, that it is not going to be only this video I will make on importation of the fairly used product from China. That is why I made this video to show you another site, another app where you can also go and check for fairly used product at a cheaper rate. All right, so let's say you have gone to this one. Let me show you the first video I made. I dropped the link there that you can also go and check install this on your phone, right? And the name of the app is, the first one is Zio app, and how to use it, everything is in this video. So if you haven't watched it, just check this video, around this video, up just upper side of this video I will drop the link there, or check description to this video, I will drop it there. Just check description to this video, just like this, you will see everything there. I will drop it there for you guys to watch. So now let's go straight to the business of the best. Before we go, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, here I used to share a lot of valuable content here. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and beside this subscribe button you will see a bell. Just tap on this bell, you will see or select all, so that you will be notified every time I drop video in my YouTube channel. Instantly on your phone you'll be notified. All right, then do not forget to give me a like on this video and drop your comments. Let me know what you feel about this video. All right, so without wasting much time, let's go to the business of the day. I want to show you the name of the site now, but there's one more difference in this one. When compared to the first video I made, the first video I made, you can easily go to Play Store and install the app from Play Store, but this one is not available in Play Store right now when I'm making this video. So the name of the site where you go to get this the app, you get the app from the site. So their site is zhuanzhuan.com. So I think I will drop the link to download it on your phone. So now practically I want to show you how to do this. When you click on this link now, and it take you to this place, right? So what you do is you can scroll down, then you will see link, just this thing, you see what this one, I'm moving my translator around it. So you will click it. If you still go down, the thing will still show again. Just click it. When you click it, it will give you where you see now. You see. So now I think it's not supposed to show me directly this one. It's just because I have attempted this before, and they recognize my phone that what I have on my phone is not an iPhone. This is not iPhone. So because they will ask. They will ask if you are attending this for the first time. I don't know, maybe it happens like that, because they may ask you, is it iPhone or Android? So they will ask you, right? Then you'll be the one to choose so that you know which one you will download on your phone. But maybe because I've done this before, they are showing me this. Then one more thing, they are telling me this information. You can also read this information. Say this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep? So they're asking, so don't worry, it will not harm your device. It's just because it's not in support with use of the Play Store, so that's why they are showing that they are alarming this. So just click on OK. So me, I have this on my phone already. When you click on OK, this thing will start downloading, and when it download, you will click on you tap on it, and it will it will show you if you want to install it will show you that install. Then you start installing, you install it. So when installed, it will appear on your phone like this. Let me show you. So you can see it now here. Look at it. This is it. Look at the color. Are you seeing it like this? So this is it. Then I will tap on it now. I want to show you. I've done this thing before. Because of you guys, I don't have to erase everything, uninstall, do blah 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 everything, so as to make it look like new. Because of you, my training in this my YouTube channel, I used to make it so practical, and that is what make me unique among other YouTubers. All right. So do I need to translate this? So when you click, all right. So kind tips, you just read if you have to read, but I don't want to waste time. I'll just click on agree straight up, and this is agree. All right. So let me click on agree. So from here now, you will drag this to left. Because of this now, you see that this is one, this is another one here, and this is third one here. So they are just giving you information. So just slide it to left side so that it will take you. This slide again. So from here now, you will click here. This one, you see where I'm showing this place. You will click on this place now. You tap on it. So let me tap on it. Oh, good. So I think we are through with the first stage. Now the next one is to log in. So the process of login, you come here, you tap this place, this angle. Are you seeing my translator? Let me take it away. When tapped, your may come up. I think it may pop up now, like if you want to sign in, log in. But if you don't receive pop-up, so you should come here, click on this red button here, log in immediately. Are you seeing it? So I'll click on this red button now to log in. The challenge you may have with the login process is that if you don't reside in China, or you don't have Chinese phone number, there's no way you can able to log in here, because here by default they put a +80 here, so you have to put a Chinese phone number here. Then you click on this get verification code. Then after getting code, you put the code getting here and click this one to continue. But before clicking this one, make sure you tick this place before you click here, or you click on the this one, use WeChat to sign in, to log in. When you click on WeChat to log in, so it will lead you to WeChat. WeChat will authorize it. Then you will use your information in WeChat to log in. But for someone that is not residing in China, or you don't have a Chinese phone number, what you will do is what I want to show you now. Okay, you are from Nigeria, Ghana, US, or even anywhere you are watching this video, and you don't have or know how to get Chinese phone number, don't worry. This is what you will do. You will come down here. Let's go home, right? You can shop. Let me say anything you want to buy. Let's just say anything you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy iPhone now. iPhone, you can type it there, right? You will type it there. So I just pick this one there. I just pick an iPhone 12. So anything you want, you can type it. You can type laptop, or so let me even type laptop there. Let me type laptop. Let me type laptop. So laptop. So let me type laptop. All right, you can check based on price different. Like, let me translate so you're able to see what I'm talking about. You can check. It's just like you using Alibaba now. You can check, like, you want price within this range, you want this, so you can give them spec so that they will give you the sort based on your spec. Right? So they said this one now, I say the price range. Look at this one, second one grade, this one price range, this one grade, this one promotion, whatever. So I can go to price range here now. I can click on this price range from here now, and I will select the price range I want. Are you seeing it now? So it's based on your own ability. Put the price range, get this result you want. At least with the little amount of money you have, I want price range for this kind of thing. Then you please, let me just choose one now. Select one. Then let's see the result now. Now from what I selected there now, look at the result. So from this result now, let me click any one of it. I know what I want to bring out from this, so don't, just give me your full attention. And please don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell, turn up the bell so that you'll be notified every time I drop valuable content like this. Then give me a like on this video and leave comments. Leave comments. I don't used to be happy when I see a lot of views and I just have little comments on it. So does that mean that you don't appreciate the video? All right, so please do. All right, so what you do now, I think I'm talking to someone that is not based in in China. You don't have Chinese phone number. I'm talking to you now. So what you would do now, you want to have full understanding of this, clear view of this. You want to have it, everything is written in Chinese, in Chinese language, right? So this is what you would do. One thing I need to let you know is that you cannot buy directly if you don't log in, but because you don't have the Chinese phone number, you cannot log in. Now I want to use alternative method, right? So just follow me now. Next thing to do is to click here. Look at this place. Look at this place. You see this angle? I think I'm moving my translator now, right, on this laptop. Now I would drag it to this place. Are you seeing that thing? So because of my recorder, that's why I don't want to click that place much. So let me go there again. So you tap on this thing, that thing, you tap on it. So I want to tap it now. Oh, sorry. Now when I tap it, see the result I get now. The next thing is to click here. This is link. Copy link. Are you seeing it? So click on this one to copy link. Good. Link is copied. Now go to your browser. I would recommend you go to Google Chrome or any browser that it can translate contents. There are many browsers like that. So go to Google Chrome and go and paste what you copied. Go and paste it. So good. It will bring the page and it will translate it for you automatically. I'm waiting for this thing to translate it to. Okay, see, look at it. Now we have the clear view of it. The thing you want to buy now, you will have a clear view of what you want to buy without struggling with the translator or whatever. You will read through very well, go through very well. You want to go through the review from people. You will see everything clearly. I believe you are enjoying this video. You see everything clearly now. So you want to check evaluation, everything is there. Now the next thing to do, I think you have seen it now, and I think we have copied the link to this. What you will do now with the link now is to get procurement agents from China that will help you to buy this. What you have to do is just to send them the link that, okay, you want to buy this product. Procurement agency, let me tell you one of the benefits of, even if you have a Chinese phone number and you don't base there, you still need someone that's reside in China that will help you to inspect the product, because we are talking of second value product. We are talking of a fairly used product. What if what you are seeing is not what you will see physically when the thing got to you? You need someone that will help you to inspect this thing there. And most times I used to recommend that you should use a friendly logistic that understand. Friend logistics that understand can easily tell you the situation of your goods before bringing it to the country, so that if possible you can return the goods. Yeah, it's possible. You are buying from the e-commerce site. If possible, they will return the goods and you get your money back, or whatever that will happen have to happen before that thing leave China to Nigeria or wherever you are from. So you will the same link. I think we have copied the link, or you can still copy this link if you either you want you copy from the app or copy the whole of this one and send it to the procurement agents. Procurement agent will help you to buy this. For some of you that are my students, you have enrolled for my mentoring class, you can DM me. You can DM me because you already have my contact. So I will give you some links. Some procurement agents in China that can help you get this. So with the condition, let's say you have checked the first video I made, you have checked the video and you have seen the price. And by the time you check this site, this one, you discover that it's much cheaper from this side than the other one, the first video I made. That is Xiaoyi. All right. So and when you get it from and when you get the procurement agent will now help you to get it to your country. So when hand over this to your procurement agent will now help you get this and ship it and find ways of send it to your logistic, from logistic to your country. So thanks once again. My name is Sheyi. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn up the notification bell, give me a like and leave your comment on this video. Thank you. Bye.